loyalty, I need that shit. Yeah, I need a shot it, they gon' keep me lit.
What's up, y'all? It's your man Los here, back with another reaction video. This one is by LONGBEACHGRIFFY, eating at a friend's house.
Dion, your mom made all this food, nigga. This shit look
Yeah, bro, she doing her thing, my nigga.
Dion,
Yes.
who's this motherfucker?
Oh, Dad, this is
Let that nigga speak. Shut your ass up. What the hell is he doing in my house, Dion? You ain't got no house, boy.
Yeah,
A house is not a tent on the street.
Look like he snuck him in the
You
house.
look like Skid Row street meat. You look homeless as fuck. Eating all my goddamn food. This is not the fucking Red Cross, Dion. We are not a homeless shelter.
Damn.
This is not an orphanage. This is not Feed the Fucking Children.
he don't look that homeless, Dad.
Stop bringing shit like this to my house. We are not a non-profit for ugly ass, homeless ass,
Let's pack up and go.
dirty ass,
Going home,
Probably stink too.
ugly ass looking negresses.
Yeah, right or wrong, yeah, loyalty, I need that shit. Yeah, I need a shot it, they gon' keep me lit. Dirt in my cup.